Hi everyone, welcome to All Things Fancy. I'm Jessica Dominguez, also known as Fancy. So it's almost the end of 2019. I can't believe it. We've been on this journey together for I think 7 months I've been on YouTube. So thank you so much for following me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos so you can find out whenever I post a new video. So today we're going to be talking about vision boards and planning for your new year and your goals and setting your intentions so everything can manifest for your perfect 2020 and your daily life can improve. So basically every year I make a vision board. I take magazines like Oprah, Forbes, any traveler magazine because I like to travel and I love the pictures. I think they're beautiful. So I like to make my vision board full of phrases and things that motivate me. Your vision board should be something that you want your intentions to be for the year and your goals and what you want to manifest just to motivate you on a daily basis. For me, I do this every year, and every year things that I put on my vision board come true, and it takes hard work and dedication, and it motivates me. So you do whatever works for you. For me personally, I will take a picture of my vision board. I'm gonna go through it with you and just show you how to make one really quick. Mine is a corkscrew board that I actually got at Marshall's with a frame. And I'm gonna show you the things that resonated with me. Maybe it'll inspire you to make your own, but let's start. So for me, I love Paris. So I took a picture of, it was a Lancome ad for their perfume, and it says La vie est belle. Sorry, my French is no bueno. La vie est belle. Life is beautiful. And it says, who will make you happy today? So I like the phrase, I like that it was in Paris, I put it up there. Rise above the rest. I like that. So I quoted it. This is a beautiful ocean and boats. I love being on boats. So hopefully 2020 will be me in the ocean with a boat and me just sunbathing, meditating, and more of this in 2020. I do put a Louis Vuitton bag, an Yves Saint Laurent, just little things to motivate me. It's nice to buy yourself something, just something to look forward to. I write my check every year, a blank check. I print it out and I put an amount. This year I put $1 million. I put here the spirit of travel. Here it says change your world. Here is a city that is, I believe, Colombia. But I do want to go to Dubai and I couldn't find a picture of Dubai. So this just reminded me of a little bit of a Dubai building. So I put that on there. This is a girl doing yoga. So this resonated with me because I do want to get more healthy and I do want to get more into yoga and meditation. This is You're So Fancy because my name is Fancy. It's just reminding me you're a badass and you got this. That's like my daily reminder, you're fancy. And then this says something that resonated with me. It says, every day, small, medium-sized businesses, people do incredible things. They're innovators with the vision to break down barriers and create new possibilities with passion, ingenuity, and hard work. So that's just me. I have a good work ethic. I have a side business and I have a real job as well. And I like to bring positive things to the table. And this resonated with me because I have a really good work ethic. I try to, and I just want to bring my all to the table. So this works for me. This says, I found a place where happiness is not a feeling, it's a way of life. So that also resonates with me because I'm very happy at this time in my life. There's a couple things that I want to add to my life, but I'm just in a happy place. So this just reminds me that I finally got to that place. This is a girl looking at the moon because I do a lot of moon intentions and journaling. During the new moon is my great time for my manifestations to come true. So this is me, the moon. It says dream in Cayman. Maybe I'll end up in the Cayman Islands. You never know. Then this says wonder awaits. Back to my travel. This says live your best life. These are some Boss Babe quotes. It says be you, do you, for you. Behind every successful woman is a tribe of other successful women who have her back. I do believe in women helping women. So this is my thing. I did print this from the internet and I added it because I loved it. It even says, even on my worst day, I'm killing it. Invest in yourself. Little things like that I love, and it helps me get through my day. It says, inhale better vibes, fun, fearless, celebrate the everyday, kill them with kindness, libre, which means freedom, just so you can see. And up here, I did have something a little personal. It's about my love life. I did take it off because I feel like it's personal and it's for me. And other than that, I share everything with you. But other than that, there's some fashion stuff. There's, a little Benjamin Franklin picture over there. So it's whatever you want and resonates with you. This took me about 20 minutes to put together. I have some thumbtacks, I put some tape, and I use the same vision board every year. If you watched my last video about my car, last year I had a white sports car, and I did get a sports car this year. It wasn't the one in the picture, but it still was white. It was a sports car, so that counts. So just so you know, it's just that simple. You do something, sometimes you don't even remember. If you watch my video on it, you'll see I didn't even remember putting that on my vision board. It was the same color. It was a sports car. Didn't even go with that intention of getting that car, and that's what I ended up with. So your mind is powerful. Don't forget, prayer is powerful, and don't forget, you create your life the way you want it. This is just a tool that helps me set my intentions and goals for the year, and my manifestation powers kick in and everything starts to happen. So it's that quick and easy to set your goals for 2020. This is just something I do. Let me know what else you do. Comment below and we can work together, do a video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at The Real Fancy Pants. Don't forget to subscribe, share this with your friends, and I hope you all have an amazing day. And I look forward to doing more videos for you this year and in the year 2020. Bye-bye. Besos.